So we are now going live trading binary option once again here at IQSense. If you see this as a recording, you can find link below the video so you can register and start trading together with me from tomorrow. But for now, I will start to see if I can find some good trades for us. So now let's just log in. As always, we remove every pair that is below 70%. So you can see we have just 3 here now. So let's see what we can find. This one. Okay, we have quite a few here. More we can find, more opportunities of trades we will find later on. Let's see. But today, yes, we're finding quite a lot. And 88 really got like that. Now let's see. That's this one. Okay. So find a little more. And there. Then we have everything we need. Then let's start from the start. Let's see if you can find yourself some good trades. Right to the bat here, we can see that we do have a trend going downwards. Pretty strong there is. So you see here, for example, it was a good trading area, but lost to the trend line. So we are not going to touch this one here. Let's move on. This area up here might be something. I will not take a trade before I market it, but something in between here and up there. If you come up there again, we'll take it. You see, I wait. I don't take a trade just right away because I see it with my eyes and mark it up so everyone has the same opportunities. So now let's see if this can play out good for us. So we need to get up there again. Now, as I look more, it looks like we might have a trend here also. So let's mark it, something like this. So there will be a squeeze here also. I think we can do this bar, but after that we need to stop. Let's see. We are in there. We got us a nice entry there in the top. Now we just need to wait for 45 seconds and let's see if this will be a winner. The problem is that we do have a squeeze, so he will not go too deep in the money. That's the only barrier we have here now. Let's see. And this will be, by the way, the last trade to do with this one, so I think we can just move on. We will not trade more there, by the way. At least not before it's decided which way of the squeeze it will go. Is he going up? Is that what's going on? No, I think it's still possible to win this one. Let's see. It would be nice to get a win from the start. But looks like we're getting a loser. Or sweet, we got that one. But that was just on the last seconds, and I told that before. We lose so often in the last second. It's nice to see when they go down all the way. So $78 profit. Actually, it's 80 with the cashback, but we put in that a little later. So looks like that was an area before. Something in the market very long time ago, or maybe not too long because it's 1 minute. But let's see. This might be something later, but for now it's too early to say. Now let's see here. I do like this region down there. We will mark it. I will also mark the top. can mark the top first as he's going up there now. In between there would be nice. And down here I would say in between these two regions. Now we are almost up to our line in the top. Let's zoom in. Right. Zoom in would be nicer. It's there. If you can get in there again, I'll take it. You see, he actually did go into our trading zone, but I was not ready for it. I do want to move this a little more, so we can say he pinned our area. There we are in. Oh, I got an entry here, I think. It might be good enough. Let's see. If we go up again, I'll take a, see if we can get a better entry. But I think we should win that one also, because the entry is actually pretty darn good, even though it's not between our lines. So if we can win this one now, we will have another $78. That can help us a lot. For me, it looks like we are winning. We are deep in money currently, and we got it. Another $78. So that means we are now currently $156 plus this 160 actually. Now let's see. Let's see if we can print some more money on this pair here. Let's see. And if you have any questions, leave it in the chat. This in the academy and at YouTube. Let's see. I am looking for a sell up there. Come on now. Almost. Almost. But almost is not good enough. You see, he pinned basically our line. We just need him to go a little higher. Also down here, we are willing to trade. If you go down now, you can remove this, things a little better. Let's see. Okay. See, here is some type of support, so he might stop there. You can see that from this one, but it's not super strong. So if you try a couple of times, you should break it. He might hold one more time, but the third time I think he will break straight through it. Let's see. Not yet. Let's see. If you just can get down here. I think this time he will break it. Because like I said, it's not a so strong support, so as this is the third time he come down, I think he will break through it now, and he did. Then the next stop is between here and down here. We only take a trade in between here. So let's see. If we can get there, that is. Okay, we are ready. So question now if we can get in there again. Okay, a little more. Just need a pin down there. Let's see. Right now we are in between, so let's move on. Here I see nothing. We can move this one here because it's the best one till now. Let's reset this chart. Let's move on. Let's see. This zone is decent, but not good trading zone. Let's see here. That actually looks pretty nice. Take an entry below there to about there. Let's see if we get down there again. I'll take it. Let's see. We are ready for it. And almost. We just need to come in between these lines here and we'll take it. Once again, he stopped it around there. It is actually a very good area when I see more on it now. He closed it low there now, so that's a good sign for come down to our area. That's it. We are ready for it. Again, it's moving quite low. Let's switch over here and take a look here. Nothing here. Almost. It's pinning our line. And we are in. I'll get myself some water. Let's see if we did win our trade. Okay, we lost that one. Minus 100. Then let's move on. Trend. Here we have a trend also. I can mark it by the way so you can see. You can see go like this. Strong trend. It's coming a squeeze here right now. Here. Down here I like. Let's mark it. Enter between there. Could be decent. Let's zoom in. We do have a trend going downward also, but it's let's see. You can skip this one, it's not super nice. This one is exciting, it's 88%. Let's hope it's something good. And let's zoom out and see. This area down there is actually pretty good. So I entered there right now. Let's wait and see how that goes first before we mark up more. Here also. Between there and there. Let's bring up our trade. Now to the money for now. Looks like we're losing it. Let's take a look what happened. Okay. Let's go back here. Let's take the calculation. Minus 100. Now, this region down there is actually very nice. And you know what? In the top also. Between there and here. So now we have a little trading zone. Let's see what comes first. Let's see. Whatever comes first, we do. Okay, we might get the trade here now. I'm in. And I will take one more down there. Then let's see. Now we just need to wait and see how this one plays out. Here, we're still waiting for both areas. If we can win the both, this two would be super nice. Trend continue downwards. Now let's see here, put it there, here. But the trend is going on, so I don't like that. We want both of them, sweet. Plus 78, plus 78, and we are $112 plus this. Do you see, we can't trade here yet because you see he still follow this strong trend downwards, and you see he's breaking again, so we can't trade this. Let's remove this for now. He's broke out, but if we break in the first try, he's still within the trend. So let's not look at this one yet. Nothing here. Nothing here. We're coming back to euro against Japanese yen. This top area here might be something. I marked it before I even consider. But an entry in between there, yes, we can do that. Let's see. In the bottom, I don't do nothing. Only this top area there, I will be interested in right now. You see also it's a downward trend, so it's a stronger area up there than is down there. And we can even draw a trend line, something like this. So if you can get up there now, that would be pretty darn amazing. Let's see. Yeah, I would love if he can still come up there now. I will take a trade on the line if that is the case. On this bar here. But, currently we are very far away, but I will wait here by the way. At least this bar. Because when you can take a trade where you have a resistance and a trend line at the same time, pushing it down, that will be amazing. And come on, it's 88%. Let's see. Okay. There, the place is stopping there is actually pretty good. Between there, in there, we got a good entry. Let's move on. Down here, I do like it. In between here and there, could be a nice entry. We are far away right now, but it's for later. Let's bring up our straight, by the way. Staying in for a little longer. We'll come back here. If we win, we'll come back and see if we can trade more there. Four, 3, 2, and we won that one. Sweet. It's another $78. Let's take a look at the trade. If we can do more there. You know what? Looks like it's coming down again. So entry in between there, it would be nice. Let's see. There, I got it. Not sure if I got it. I think I got it a little above the line. But I think can be good enough. Let's see. Oh, let me take one more. Then we can continue and let's see how that will play out. If we win both, we'll continue. Because this entry is actually not that bad. either. It looks like we're losing the first. And we're out of the money on the good one also, so that's not good. So minus 100. If we lose this one now, we will be more or less in zero. I hope we can win it. That will not be that bad. There, we won that one, so plus 78. Let's collect this cashback up here now, 18. Plus 18. So $186 profit till now. Now see here, this area will start to look nice. Something in between there and here. We'll take that. Let's see. See the left. It's good before also. Let's see. We are ready. We are already taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 trades. After 9 trades, we won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we win the next now, we are perfect on what I'm telling. We win between 7 and 8 trades out of 10 trades. Of course, that is average over much more than 10 trades. So it's not like you get that for each 10 trade. You get that over, if you take like 100 trades, then you start to get that average. So after a trading week, for example, then you start to have that type of average. So now let's see, we are looking, waiting, and okay, I would not have taken a trade there. I did not like that he broke it, but at least we got a good entry. Let's go in and out of this one, see if we can fix this error here. No, let's try again. Still error. Let's wait and open. There we got it. So, would I trade here? I think so. We see the win rate is actually pretty darn good, so if we can come down there again, I'll take it. And we won this one. That's nice, $78. $264 profit till now. That is nice. Now, here we can draw a trend line. It's for us to follow later. I'm not trading here now, but it's for us to see. It's going something like this. So if we come in and see something, we are aware of this trend line from before. Trend lines can save us some bad entries. Now, do we like this area up here? I will say yes. So something in between there and here. I would like to come in the middle, so I'm waiting a little. My entry would be in the middle here. I'm trying to get a good entry this time. A little more. Maybe I'm greedy now, but I rather want to have secure that I get an entry in between the lines. So let's see if we can get there. So if my patience pay off, or if I lose a trading opportunity, let's see. There, cool, I got a good entry. Then we can wait. Looks like he's going like this one, the Japanese yen. It's going strong. Let's bring up the trade. I think we're going to lose this one here now. we lost that one. Not so surprised about that one. Let's see here. I'll say yes, because it is a strong area. So entry between there and the upper area there. Let's see. Any entry between here should be good. Let's zoom in. Let's see. We're far away, so we move on. Let's see the top here. I would say no. I would say only this area here and all the way up here. We might get something up here because we see this as a very strong support. So let's mark something that can be, let's see if we had something in the past. No, I don't see anything. But I think we'll go higher than this. I would say between here and maybe around there. Let's come back later and see. We can move it after. Now we maybe can get a test on here again. Can follow a little back forward on this too. So let's see. Okay, we are ready. Let's see. We are ready. Almost. Little more. I'm in there. Let's see. That is a quite good entry. If down again, I take more trades, obviously. But yeah, we got it exactly there. I'm satisfied with that entry. And there we got it, $78. Sweet. Let's put that into calculation. Now if you can get down there again, we'll take it. here. Okay, he's down here again. I think if we move this line a little more there, I'll take it. It come down there again. That's it. Now. And now. Let's see. Almost. Our build time. We have still quite good time left. Let's make my screen, I don't need to be so big, a little smaller so you can see the screen properly. There. This was a nice stretch, pinned perfectly. Now to check the top here, if that might be something. I would say no. Let's start from the start and see if we can find something else. Here we see here broken the area, so you go out of this one. Okay, we need to do a reload. Okay. I don't see nothing I like here. This area down here is actually looking pretty good. Let's just take some old lines and save time. In between there, I'll take it. Let's see. I would love to get an entry in the middle. That will be my target. If I have time, I'll mark it. Let's see. Entry. Oh, there. We take. Okay, he did pass a little too low, but at least we got a good entry. So let's continue. As I will not trade more there, by the way. And down here, we do have a nice entry in between these two lines. Sorry for the color difference. Does not matter. In between these two lines there will be a nice entry with very high win rate. Let's see. Another win. 78, sweet. Our profit is now up to 320 with the 8 at 328. We are back to euro against Japanese yen. It's the 88% one. Do you know what? I will take a trade up there. If you get up there again, let's see. You can remove this for now. Yeah, I enter up there. I'll take it easily. Let's see. If we can just get up there, that is. Let's see. It's going too much down, so let's move on. Okay, this area looks still nice, I would say. Let's see. If we can get down there again, that is. I don't see a nice area in the top, so I only want in the bottom. And I would like to have an entry below, so we can move this line a little more. So any entry in between here would be okay. Let's see. Now let's see. We are ready. Taking a little time here now, but it's okay. We are waiting for something good. The top area start to look more and more good also. I'll mark it and have a look. I might take a trade up there. We are in there. We got quite nice entry. Let's see. Let's do a reload of this chart here. We're still in it. Here I can say we have nothing. So let's move to the start. Trending upwards, we don't like that. We are out of the money here now. What's going on? Let's take a look. Oh, that was very close. That was too close, too annoying. I don't like when I lose so close. But it's still $220 in profit, so it's okay. Let's go back here. This area up here starts to look nice now. Let's see, in between there, and we have it there. Let's see how this plays out. I have one more up there. Then let's see if we win this two. If we lose both, then that will look bad for us. But if we win these two, then we start to look good again. Now let's see, down here, I like it. Let's see. If we win the first, I think we win both. So 4, 3, 2, no, we are losing that one. That was annoying. -100. I really hope we can win this one now. And we won that one. Cool. Please won that one. So that's 78. Let's collect this $14. That's 14. We are now $212 profit. Big movements here now. zoom out a little. Let's move on. Let's move on. Let's zoom out and see. Nothing in that region. Nothing here. Nothing here. Yeah, I will take a trade. Let's see. Our BN time. We still have like 10 minutes left, so we can play a little longer here. So if you want to follow the timer. That's around there. Is the ending bell. Let's see if we can print some money on this pair. Let's see. Let's see. Let's hope we can get down there again. Currently we are $212 in profit. I would love to get in a couple of more trades. Let's see. Okay, retesting this area up there. If we go higher, we move on. Yeah, we move on. We do this gen again. Zoom out if we can find something in that region. Sadly I can't. So this is too little data to trade on. Okay, down here, we are ready here again. Let's see. I'm ready. If we can break into our line. That was very close. We basically pinned our line down there. Let's see. Almost again. We are in there. We got a very good entry. Let's bring up the trade. Let's look at this one. Seriously, nothing here. We're going in and out on Monday currently on this one here. We have a good entry, so I think we should win it. I will not trade this one. Come on now, give me a win here. Be nice in the ending minutes to get some more money in. Let's see, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, we got it. another win, 78. So then we are at 290. This was for GBP USD. Let's take a look what was going on. Okay, I don't like what I'm seeing. He did go more down, so you're not going to trade more there. Let's now see the one we had with a line. Here we have a trade. No, he did go too far down, so I'm not interested. Let's see if we can find one with the ending line. Let's see if we can find that pair. That is this one. Okay, we are moving very far away from trading zone. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes left. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, 5 minutes. Okay. Then let's go. In this region, but far away right now. Let's go back to this one and see if we can find something. Here we are basically in between. There's nothing there. Here let's mark this a little different. Enter in between there. Let's see. We are ready. If we can get down there again, like this. The bar is moving very fast, so that's why we need to come as far down as possible so we get the entry at least between the two blue lines. That's why I try to be greedy and come as far down as possible. There, and we got a good entry there, I think. We will not trade that one more, by the way, is 67%. I will even close it so we don't do mistakes and trade there more, because we make too little on this one here. It's profitable, but just hardly. Now we might come up to this line. Let's see. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, we got it at least. So then we got another 67. Let's collect the $4 in the top. Plus 4. We are now at 361. That is actually not that bad. How are we in time? We have a couple of minutes left. I'm thinking up here, between here and probably there. If we can get up there, I'll take it. Let's see. Oh, I was too slow on the trigger there. If you come up again, I'll take it. I was way too slow on the trigger. Let's see if you can get up there again. But yeah, we have the entry, and you see that probably would have been a nice winning trade. Might be now. Pick up again, let's see. We'll wait a little to see. And come on now. No. It's being stubborn. Let's see. We will wait this bar. This will be the last bar we do today. So if we come up in that area, we will take it. And then we will wait for the trade to end. So now let's see. if we are going to get one more trade today. So we are now just wait this bar. When this bar turns to the next, we are not trading more. So only this one will trade on, and if we take a trade, we will wait the trade, of course. So let's see. Okay, we are getting up there now. We might just get a trade. Let's see. That's about it then. We made $361 in this live session. Once again, if you want to copy me, just use the link you find below the video and you can get started today. So that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you same time again tomorrow.